Hi, Mike and Bobby and everyone with Owens Electric. My name is Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. I'm sure you guys are very busy. So contrary to popular belief, this website, your website, can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. And the leads that your website brings to you are going to be exclusive to you, not being sent out to 3 or 4 or 5 different companies. 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first of those being content. So Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more you have, the better. There is a magic number, and that is 1,500 words minimum. So any page that you're trying to rank on Google, you're going to want to have 1,500 words or more. Okay, but content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the pictures, what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, how those photos are saved, etc., etc. And so, like I just went to go save this photo, and this photo is saved as lobby. Okay, well, lobby is great, it's a nice lobby, but it's not bringing you any value other than showing a pretty lobby on your website. So you're going to want to make sure that every photo you have is saved as a buyer intent keyword. And then, like I said before, you're going to want to make sure you have 1,500 words minimum. I didn't put this through word counter. I'm going to say maybe 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, 100 here. Less than 500 on this entire page, and that's not what you want. So you're going to want to go pump up that volume, and it's okay if your home page doesn't have it as long as your other pages do. And so this is your commercial page. It looks like you have a little bit more, but really not a lot considering what Google likes to see, which is 1,500. So go through next time you get a chance, add some more content. As far as words go, make sure to implement buyer intent keywords, and then also save your photos properly. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook. That would include Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few. Those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. I typed in Mount Vernon Electrician, Ohio. We got Buckingham, CNF, and Chapin. Okay, I don't see Owens Electric, and I'm sure that this is where you want to be. So this has to do with citations. And then if you're not here, that's fine as long as you're ranking organically. And I did actually pull you guys up in the 6th position. So I'm not sure if you guys are doing surveys or where you're getting your leads from now, how much volume the 6th position is bringing you. Obviously, you guys are in Mount Vernon. Ideally, you want to be here. But either way, you guys are in the 6th position, so that's something to be proud of as well. Also, so I have your Google My Business page pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. You do have your address, hours, and phone. I highly recommend putting your website down here to help drive traffic to it. And then also your reviews. So you have 10 reviews with a 4.4, which is something to be proud of, but you're going to want to keep going and shoot for 25 minimum. So you're going to want to shoot for 25 minimum reviews. Keep up the good work. And then these photos. So you didn't upload these photos. It looks like these photos were actually just generated via Google based on the address. And so you're going to want to go in, add about 10 photos at least, and make sure that all those photos are saved properly. And that's going to help complete your Google My Business profile and help you rank in the areas that you want to rank in and show up in this map pack. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would, no, not various directories, I'm sorry, that's citations. Backlink is anywhere that OwensElectricCo.com is at. That's going to give you a backlink, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and sites that aren't spammy. You actually have only 11 backlinks from 8 referring domains and no keywords, which goes to show me that you probably aren't familiar with search engine optimization, and that you're also not familiar with backlinks. One benefit to having only 11 backlinks is that you don't have a lot to go through because you only have 11. So you're going to want to go through and make sure that you're getting your backlinks from the right place. Some are free, some you pay for. Either way, you have 11, and you're going to want to, this is a tool we use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. Go in and remove the backlinks that aren't doing you any favors and add some that will. Any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. I hope that you find the time to implement these strategies and tips to bring yourself some more lead volume and in turn money using the internet and your website in particular. I hope your 2021 is prosperous, and thank you very much for watching.